हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल नर्सिंग एडुकेशन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड सोर्स ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड फंक्शंस। तो चलिए सबसे पहले हम लोग पढ़ते हैं व्हाट इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट। कार्बोहाइड्रेट आर वाइडली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन प्लांट्स in which they are formed from carbon dioxide of the atmosphere by the process of photosynthesis. It means carbohydrates are formed from the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere by the process of photosynthesis. Next हम लोग पढ़ेंगे source of carbohydrate. Source of carbohydrate. Flowing are the main source of carbohydrate. First one is starch and the second one is sugar. These two are the main source of carbohydrate. Starch. These are present in cereals, roots and tubes. For example, rice, wheat, ragi, pulse, potato, yam and colostria. These are the important source of carbohydrate. Next, sugar. Mainly sugar is of three types, that is monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग पढ़ते हैं monosaccharides. Monosaccharides means simple sugar, for example glucose, fructose and galactose. And this next one is disaccharides, that is double sugar, for example sucrose, lactose and maltose. And the third one is polysaccharides, means complex carbohydrate, for example cellulose. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे फंक्शंस ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. फर्स्ट, they supply energy for body functions, for doing work and for the cells. They burn in the body at the rate of 4 kilocalorie per gram. It means when carbon dioxide burn, it release energy at the rate of 4 kilocalorie per gram. Next, they are essential for the absorption of fats. And the third one is they have a sparing action on protein. Fifth one is some carbohydrates are present in tissue constituents. And the last one is they add flavor to the diet. These are the main functions of the carbohydrate. Next हम लोग पढ़ेंगे special tissue function. Carbohydrate serve many special functions in our body tissue and organs. First one is liver, and the next one is protein and fat. Liver. Glycogen reserve in the liver and muscles provide a constant exchange with the body's overall energy balance. These reserve, especially in the liver, protect cell from depressed metabolic function and resulting injury. It means in the liver, carbohydrates are mainly stored in the form of glycogen. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे प्रोटीन एंड फैट्स. कार्बोहाइड्रेट हेल्प्स टू रेगुलेट बोथ प्रोटीन एंड फैट मेटाबॉलिज्म. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट इन डिफरेंट स्टेजेस इन आवर लाइफ. द बॉडी हैज ए स्पेसिफिक नीड फॉर कार्बोहाइड्रेट एज ए सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी फॉर ब्रेन एंड अदर टिश्यू सेल. The carbohydrate calories should be at least 40% in well balanced diet. तो पढ़ते हैं the range of carbohydrate required in given below. For adult 50% to 70%, expecting and lactating mother 40 to 50%, infant 40 to 50%. For infants 40 to 50%, preschool children 40 to 60% and other children and adolescent 60 to 70%. Then पढ़ते हैं minimum requirement of carbohydrate in our diet. A minimum of 100 gram carbohydrate are needed in the diet to ensure effective oxidation of fat. Most diets supply more. If the protein supply about 10% of calorie, fat 20%, then carbohydrate must supply the remaining 70% calories, being the cheapest source of food energy. It supply up 80% of the calorie in the low-cost Indian food. It means carbohydrate is the main source of energy giving in our body. Next हम लोग पढ़ेंगे reserve fuel supply. Reserve fuel supply. Glycogen reserve supply as a backup fuel which is stored in the liver, which is used at the time of starvation. Next हम लोग पढ़ेंगे dietary fiber and their usage. Dietary fibers is the high fibrous lining found in vegetables, fruit and cereals. It is hard to digest and has no nutritional value. Fiber has two forms, that is insoluble fiber and the next one is soluble fiber. तो चलिए हम लोग पढ़ते हैं insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber Insoluble fibers in wet brains hold water in the colon, thus increasing bulk, which stimulates the muscles of the digestion tract so that they retain their health and tones. The tone muscles can move easily more waste product through the colon for excretion, and this prevents constipation. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे soluble fiber. Soluble fibers are found in the legume and fruit like gum and pectins. Can lower blood cholesterol probably by binding to bile acid and dietary cholesterol, thus preventing absorption. These are the functions of the soluble fiber. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे एडवर्स इफेक्ट ऑफ डाइटरी फाइबर. फर्स्ट वन इज intestinal absorption of some materials and trace element is decreased. These are the adverse fiber of the dietary fiber. Next one is an excessive intake of fiber result in intestinal absorption of its not accommoded by water. It means if we take excess amount of fiber, it result into intestinal obstruction, means outgrowth in the intestine if this is not accommodated by the water. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट एडवर्स इफेक्ट ऑफ द डाइटरी फाइबर. डाइटरी फाइबर इज बेस्ट टेकन फ्रॉम नेचुरल फूड एंड नॉट फ्रॉम द फाइबर सप्लीमेंट. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे सुगर सब्सटीट्यूट्स. Mainly artificial sweeteners are used by the people who wish to reduce their calories intake. Two commonly available sugar substitutes are, first one is saccharin and the second one is aspartame. They are the mainly saccharin is that is O-sulfobenzamide and aspartame means it is dipeptides of 2 amino acid. तो चलिए सबसे पहले हम लोग पढ़ते हैं saccharin that is O-sulfobenzamide. O-sulfobenzamide is 300 to 500 times as sweet as sucrose and passes through the body unchanged. It has been used in beverage and drinks. It has no adverse effect. The only drawback is it leaves a bitter aftertaste. This means saccharin is more time sweetener as sucrose. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे aspartame. Aspartame is a dipeptide of 2 amino acid, that is aspartic acid, and the next one is phenylene. Mainly people who suffer from phenylketonuria should avoid aspartame because excessive intake of aspartame may lead to suffer from adverse effect of the phenylketonuria. थैंक यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.